Welcome to Meniuu. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Meniuu specifically for reservations, even if your restaurant is not using the rest of the system for order taking, kitchen management, or full service operations. This is especially useful for traditional restaurants and classic dining concepts that already have an established way of working, but still need a better way to accept and manage reservations. Many restaurants still depend on phone calls. A guest calls, someone on the team answers, asks for the date, time, party size, and special requests, and writes everything down manually. The problem is that during busy service, this can interrupt the operation and create unnecessary pressure on the staff. That is why many restaurants choose to use Meniuu only for reservations. Instead of relying only on phone calls, guests can book through your website, your Google business profile, your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, or shared links such as WhatsApp. This makes the process faster for the guest and much more organized for the restaurant. On the staff side, reservations are received directly inside the system, so your host, hostess, front desk team, or authorized staff can manage them clearly and efficiently. In this lesson, you will learn how to configure those reservation channels, how the guest experience works, and how your team receives and manages reservations inside the system. You will also learn how to work with statuses such as pending, confirmed in progress, finalized, and canceled, how to handle special requests like birthdays and anniversaries, and how to decide between manual confirmation or auto confirmation. Most importantly, Meniuu does not require you to change your full operation. You can use it only for reservations and continue running the rest of your restaurant the way you already do today. The goal is simple: make reservations easier for your guests, more organized for your team, and more useful for your daily operation. Let's start.